The magic of minimalism. Simplify your life, amplify your happiness. In today's fast-paced, consumer-driven world, minimalism is like a breath of fresh air. It's not just about owning fewer things, it's a lifestyle that encourages focusing on what truly matters. Minimalism is about clearing the clutter, both physical and mental, to create space for the things that bring you joy, purpose, and peace. Whether it's downsizing your wardrobe, decluttering your home, or simplifying your schedule, minimalism can transform your life in unexpected and powerful ways. One of the key principles of minimalism is understanding the difference between needs and wants. So often, we're tempted to buy things we don't really need because we think they'll make us happy. But that happiness is often fleeting. Minimalism teaches us to be intentional with our choices, keeping only the items that add value to our lives. For example, instead of owning 20 pairs of shoes, you might focus on 5 high-quality pairs that you truly love and use. This not only saves money, but also reduces decision fatigue and creates a sense of calm in your daily life. Minimalism isn't just about physical possessions, it's also about mental clarity. Our minds are often cluttered with endless to-do lists, commitments, and distractions. By adopting a minimalist mindset, you can learn to say no to unnecessary obligations and focus on what matters most. This might mean spending less time on social media, prioritizing meaningful relationships, or dedicating more time to hobbies that bring you fulfillment. With less mental clutter, you'll find it easier to concentrate, reduce stress, and enjoy a greater sense of freedom. The benefits of minimalism extend to your living space as well. A clutter-free home is not only more visually appealing, but also more functional. When everything has its place, it's easier to find what you need and keep your space organized. Minimalist design, with its clean lines and focus on simplicity, creates a calm and inviting environment. Studies have even shown that a tidy space can improve your mood, boost productivity, and help you sleep better. Embracing minimalism also has environmental benefits. By consuming less and reusing what you already have, you reduce waste and minimize your ecological footprint. Choosing quality over quantity means your possessions last longer, and you're less likely to contribute to the cycle of fast fashion or disposable goods. Minimalism aligns with sustainable living, making it a choice that benefits both you and the planet. Another transformative aspect of minimalism is the way it changes your relationship with time. When you own less, you spend less time cleaning, organizing, and maintaining your belongings. This frees up time for the things that truly matter, like spending quality time with loved ones, pursuing your passions, or simply relaxing without guilt. Minimalism teaches you to value experiences over possessions, shifting your focus from having more to living more. You don't need to live in an empty house to be a minimalist. It's not about deprivation, but intentionality. Start small. Declutter one drawer. Donate clothes you no longer wear, or unsubscribe from emails that clog your inbox. These small steps can lead to big changes as you begin to see the value in simplicity. The process of letting go can be surprisingly liberating, helping you realize that you don't need as much as you once thought to be happy. Minimalism also encourages gratitude. When you stop chasing after the next big thing, you start appreciating what you already have. Instead of feeling pressure to keep up with others, you begin to define success and happiness on your own terms. This shift in perspective allows you to feel more content and grounded, no matter where you are in life. It's important to remember that minimalism looks different for everyone. For some, it might mean living in a tiny house with only the bare essentials. For others, it's about creating a balance between simplicity and comfort. The key is to focus on what works for you and your goals. Minimalism is a tool, not a rule book. And its beauty lies in its flexibility. In the end, minimalism is about making space. Space for the things that truly matter, space for peace of mind, and space for a more intentional, meaningful life. By letting go of the excess, you're not losing anything, you're gaining clarity, freedom, and joy. So, take a step back, evaluate what's truly important, and start your journey toward a simpler, happier life. You'll be amazed at the magic that happens when you embrace less to live more.